Hello everyone, how are you guys? Welcome back to our new video, the Gulf of Alaska. We are going to reveal many interesting facts in this video, so we request you to watch this video till the end. Before getting into the video, subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon. When you see the world map, you may feel that all the oceans get mixed into each other. It seems like there is only one big ocean and people just gave them different names. But an exclaiming thing that hits your minds is that how vivid the borders between them are. The border between the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans is like a line between two worlds. They do not mix with each other, but they touch each other. Why does this happen? What is stopping them to mix with each other? The reason is that the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans have different density and chemical makeup, the level of salinity and other qualities. One can see by their color that they are far from being the same. The borders between two bodies of water with different physical and biological characteristics are known as oceanclines. Haloclines, the borders between waters with different salinity. This is what we see when the Atlantic and the Pacific Oceans meet. The famous explorer Jacques Cousteau found this when he was deep diving in the Strait of Gibraltar. Even the flora and fauna also differ under these waters. Haloclines appear when water in one ocean is at least 5 times saltier than the other. For example, at home, if you pour some seawater or colored salty water in a glass and then add some fresh water on top of it, then you can find the difference between both the waters. The only difference is that your halocline will be horizontal and ocean haloclines are vertical. According to physics, the liquid of more density gets to the lower position and less dense higher. If that were true, the border between the two oceans would look not like a vertical line but as a horizontal one. So, why doesn't it happen here? Well, first, the difference in density of water of the two oceans is not that great for one of them to get down and other to rise up. The other reason is inertia. One of the inertial forces known as the Coriolis force or the Coriolis effect influences objects when they are moving in the system of axis, which in its turn is moving too. The Earth is moving slowly. It takes the planet a whole of 24 hours to make a full circle around its axis. That's why the Coriolis effect gets obvious only in long time intervals, with cyclones or ocean flows. And this is why the direction of flows in the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans is different. It also doesn't let them mix. Another difference between the two oceans' water is the strength of molecules connection or surface tensile strength. Molecules of matter hold on to each other. The two oceans have a totally different source tensile strength and it also doesn't let them mix. Do you think that only the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans don't get on well with each other? There are a lot of places on the planet where water in the two seas or rivers does not mix. Number 1. The Sargasso Sea is the biggest and most widely known chemocline. Now, what is chemocline? These are the borders between waters having different microclimate and chemical makeup. The Sargasso Sea is a sea within the Atlantic Ocean which has no shores, but you have got chance to notice it. Number 2. The North and Baltic Seas. These two seas meet near the Danish city of Skagen. The water in them does not mix because of different density. Number 3. The Mediterranean Sea and Atlantic Ocean. They meet at the Strait of Gibraltar and have a different density and salinity, so their water does not mix too. Number 4. The Caribbean Sea and the Atlantic Ocean. The place where they meet is near the Antilles. It looks like someone has painted water with different shades of blue. Caribbean Sea water is turquoise and Atlantic Sea water is blue. Number 5. The Suriname River and the Atlantic Ocean meet near Paramaribo in South America. Number 6. The Uruguay River and its afflux. These two meet in Misiones province in Argentina. One of them is clean to be used in agriculture and the other gets red because of loam during rainy seasons. Number 7. The Rio Negro and Solimões rivers, part of the Amazon River. 6 miles from Manaus in Brazil, Rio Negro and Solimões rivers flow into each other but don't mix for about 2.5 miles. Rio is dark and Solimões is light. Number 8. Ilz, Danube, and Inn. The junction of these three rivers is in Passau, Germany. Ilz is a small mountain river to the left, the Danube is in the middle, and the Inn is the light river to the right. Number 9. Alaknanda and Bhagirathi rivers. These rivers meet in India. Alaknanda is dark and Bhagirathi is light. Number 10. Irtysh and Ulba rivers. These rivers flow into each other in Kazakhstan near the city whose name you'll never be able to pronounce, nor will I. The Irtysh has clean water and Ulba has cloudy water. Number 11. Chuya and Katun rivers. These rivers meet in Altai Republic, Russia. The water of Chuya has an unusual cloudy white color and looks dense and thick. Katun is clean and turquoise. Flowing into each other, they form a single two-colored flow that does not mix for some time. Number 12. The Green and Colorado rivers. The place of their junction is Canyonlands National Park in Utah, USA. Colorado is brown and green is, green. So what do you think about all this water? Please comment in the comment section below. Hey, if you have learned something new today, then give the video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon for all the updates from Infallible Info. Thank you.